Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday. I don't know, Friday what day? The 1st. Yeah, Friday the 1st. It should be the 1st. So I don't know, I woke up feeling really sickly, but I know I'm not sick. Don't touch. I know I'm not sick, so I guess I just need some self-care therapy. A lot of people I've seen in YouTube, easy, stop. A lot of people I've seen in YouTube, their way of self-care is not really my self-care. I feel like for me, I have to do something that is therapeutic, and believe it or not, cleaning is my therapy. Cleaning is my therapy. So I'm thinking in the next 30 minutes I'm going to be cleaning, and I'm going to try and position this camera to the different angles of the house so you can clean with me. It's nothing fancy, so don't come from me. I feel I'm supposed to go to work, but I have not even gone to work because I'm not feeling myself. Something is not right, and I don't know what it is, and usually it's underlying stress, that has not yet manifested, or that I'm not yet, I don't know how to put it, but I know something is not right. So bear with me, come clean with me. I'm gonna clean the dining area, the kitchen, and the sitting room, the veranda, and probably some bit of work outside. All right, so yeah, and I have my little helper with me. I might as well remove his sweater and put him in shorts because it's gonna be a lot of fighting, and I don't want to fight him. He can touch the water, he can slide in the water. I'm not what are they called, those moms, the Dettol moms. I'm a Dettol mom. I'm not a hoovering, controlling mom. So I'm just gonna remove his sweater, remove whatever it is that he's wearing, because he just woke up, and put him in work clothes because we need to get this house clean. Also, the house is pretty much clean because my house help does the work. I just feel like it's the only thing I need to do to feel better. So I'm cleaning an essentially not so dirty house. So it's not like those declutter modes, no. It's a pretty, but for me, I'm gonna be moving everything, so I'm in every corner, cleaning everywhere, right? So come clean with me. Let's get started. All right. I guess we're ready. Oh, and I just I don't have any rags, I don't have any carpets because I've just given them out to go to the car wash, carpet cleaning. Yeah, so it's an easy breezy job. Alright guys, I hope you have enjoyed that video. I feel so much better, and I guess I'm ready to go to work or do something. Yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope that inspires you to go and clean. Alright guys, until next time, love and light as always. Mwah. Hi guys, how are you doing? Today is when? Saturday, the 2nd of November. Yesterday I was cleaning and having fun with it, but yeah, so later on in the day we decided to take a quick trip to Nanyuki. So I am in the middle of nowhere in Nanyuki, but it's so gorgeous. So gorgeous. So it was a random trip. We left Nairobi at around 6 and we were here at 9, just for a day out. So good morning, let's go for breakfast. That was my home. Oh, the night, so gorgeous. It is. Hata kuchukua mazingara. Alright, let's go for breakfast. Oh yeah, by the way. Wow, it's so gorgeous. I was here so late, so I didn't get to see most of this place, but it's really gorgeous. Absolutely. Bay. Ni wapi? Ni huku? Wapi? Upiti. Sasa unaona hii commitment ya kunini? Ya ku take hizi videos. Ndio inachokeshanga mtu.
Happy lifanya nini bwana? Niliacha kutumia happy yangu.
Siku kutumia.
Sikuwa tuko ni beauty.
Kulikuwa na nini kweli?
Na nini?
Sijaona signage tukiingia huko. Kwa shube. Ready? Oh. Nani? This is for the food, Joanne. This is for the food. Ah, she was here. Joanne was here. You look so nice. Uko ready kukimbia ama ni kung'ara tu? Guys, I can't even explain how beautiful this place is. And I don't know if it's just me, but I love. Oh, that's is that supposed to be Mount Kenya? I think that is Mount Kenya. This is somewhere in NANYUKI, guys. We are going for a walk. Oh, let me turn this camera. It's more of a tented camp, so if you're looking for something that is quiet and relaxing, you know, it's more of an outdoor activity area where you walk, you play, you do team building. Yeah, so there's a lot of that. It's ideal for that. So we're gonna take a 5-kilometer walk into the woods. Let me see if I can. Tunapita hapa? I've been walking for the last maybe 5 minutes. 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. And I'm tired. I'm exhausted. But it's so beautiful, man. I don't know. There's no way I can actually explain it for anyone to understand, but it's my kind of scenery. And I actually prefer these places more than the coast. Look at that. It's in the middle of nowhere. So I prefer these places more than the coast. Mainly because I can't stand the heat in Mombasa. I just can't. Go live! Go live! Go live! Kusaidiwa nayo.
Sawa.
Nice! These are some of the things that are Nairobi wanakuwaga wamejichocha, you know. Hey, we can do it, we can do it. We've just walked for like 20 minutes and everybody is tired. Tired!
So tired indeed.
Woo. So let's see if you can try and climb that thing. I am so tired. Oh, I am sweating. I am so unhealthy. But I like it. Maybe I don't. I just don't mind it. Woo. So exhausting.
Wadali.
Hapo by the way kuna slide.
Sawa basi. Unaweza Mungu kabisa.
Nyogwa.
Wazi.
Sakamunyo, let me rush before you. There's a river.
Yes, there's a river there. River crossing, obstacle crossing.
Let us cross the river. Let us cross the river.
We, unafanya nini huko peke yako?
Guy, 4:30.
Wakati ni masaa poa. Giza kabla ingie 6.
Tutakuwa
Tumeshapita
tumesonga.
huko na Rumoru tumeenda.
Which comes first? Ni Narumura
NANYUKI and then na Rumoru.
Timao.
When you're
Timao
going.
iko huko. Kienda Meru. We, ng'ombe. Hazitoki zenyewe. Udoge utango vya iko veteirie.
Nzuri hazina hair.
Tuko na wiga. Hizi ni za ule mama by the way. Si ndio ule pale?
Kidogo.
Lakini huku mtu hawezi kuja
Ndio.
kama couple.
Watu wawili hizi. Good watch. Watu wawili mtaboeka.